Hey, Dad, get these Levi's, nigga. You see that shit, nigga?
Well, I see Levi's. Them hoes are fly. We might have to catch that one for them bitches on the cruise.
Nigga, this is what I do. I don't give a fuck. Hey. Acres Town, Texas, that's my motherfucking hood, nigga. I put your bitch and that she with me, nigga. You hating in my face, but I don't really fucking tripping. I'm steady in the slab and watch that wood. I'm steady gripping. I'm tipping. You see the fucking birds tripping. They flying, but I ain't really tripping. I'm getting high with them. Matter of fact, I passed them and now I'm in space and they can't even fucking grab me. But I ain't even tripping. That's just what I like to do. I call it what I call it, but you know I'm Paul Root and I don't give a fuck. This is an east side thing when I east side thing and I'm an east side swing.
School listen session. Pussy niggas looking. This is my confession. I'm a blessing. The teacher say I should have taught a lesson. But I see these pussy niggas now that they stressing. They looking at Crazy Chris talking about he's a fool. But I be the type of nigga that sneak around and pop you with that tool. And move it out and groove and swing lane to lane like killer type. Everybody know like that thriller play. Gun when they gun back and I get dope. I run up in your house and I really pull a kick though. Make you lay down, I take your flat screens out of your face. Then I set them right up in your face and I take the place, no disgrace. And I be lacing, I be tracing, I be facing, I be sipping and I be tasting, I be racing. But I'ma go on and pass and I'ma smash it like I should do. I'ma let the Pyrus eat you up like a real hood nigga should do.
Hey, nigga, I'm a fucking dog. I scream too, woo, nigga, you fuck 'em all. I fuck with them hoovers, and that's for real. I don't really give a fuck. I bet them niggas kill you. Try to run up on me, watch they gon' stop you. And if you tripping, you watch what you gon' do. You either get the flipping with us, or shooting guns with us, or shit, we can catch them hands with you. We ain't even tripping.
I let the hit man run the club and let it split, man. Fuck the beat, but I'ma eat. I'm a dog up and heat, ready to eat. Run up in the club and let the pussy nigga ski. I deleted, undefeated. I'm running undefeated. I'm the hardest nigga around. I'm a pelican, undefeated. They look at me, but I'm a crooked cat tipping. I be running, I be slipping, I be dipping, but I be crippin'. Up in my lane and I can explain, they can feel my pain. I be missing Brandon Mason and still ain't ashamed, but I be feeling good, real and hood chicken like you wanna do. Claim you a gangster dog, ain't none of us under you. Who ride? Deuce ride. Everybody on the side. 4-5, Deuce 9, talking about what's the slide. But I be clipping, I be dipping, I be clipping that. Clipping that, the pussy niggas see me, so they flipping that. AK go hit you, but then Tech 9 go split you. That's how you know them hoovers and them Pyrus come to get you. But I be moving, I be sweating, I be never stopping. And I be moving to the top, dog, let's get it poppin'. Fuck poppin', get it brackin'.
This what we do, nigga. Hey, we get tied in the bitch while I'm trying, and we get fucked up niggas out here in the H-Town, nigga. Hey, we not Cali-wise, nigga, but we got Cali lifestyle, nigga. Real T. We will bring your fake bitch ass up if you run up, nigga.
Real T, you can't do me or my niggas. If you fucking with us, we'll pull that trigger. Leave you there dead. Leave your shirt white tee, bitch. I'ma make that whole red. Wayne say he's full of the flame. I'm full of the blood. Hell no, I believe blue. Fuck that red. I kill a nigga if he's scared.
And I leave him dead, and I be looking at some niggas that say I go fed. Yeah, your bitch give me head instead, and